If you're out looking for a new FlexVolt grinder, DeWalt has a new model out that's very similar to some of their old models, except it's got something you may or may not want. The DCG418B and just the 418 series in itself is a normal kick-ass grinder, 4.5 to 6 inch, has everything you can imagine, do concrete work, do metal cutting, anything. Powerhouse. This dude's awesome. Now, if you're looking and you find a DCG418SHD, side handle dual switch. So now, in order to turn this guy on, you have had to pull the front handle first, then the trigger. And it doesn't always work that way. You have to pull them within 2 seconds of each other. So on, boom. So if you have this and you just are like, yep, I'm hanging on to it, because they're thinking now you've defeated this by zip tie anything, doesn't work. So it has to be within 2 seconds. You grab it, turn it on, use it. If you haven't, like you're like, oh, how to go to turn on again. Nope, got to release, grab, go. And sometimes if you pull them at the same time, they don't work. You have to get this switch almost like a millisecond first, then the second switch. So there's a lot going on here, but not much has changed actually inside the grinder. Still a powerhouse. The difference is this side handle, and you can buy this side handle separately. It still goes on both sides. It will not fit the old models, as you'll see. Basically, we have a little piece that comes out, pushes a button on the inside, and that means that you have to put this in the right direction on both sides. So if you were to put this in forward, that little button wouldn't click in anywhere. You have to make sure it's in the back, and then you turn this knob on the outside, tightening it up. And we can switch sides. They're going either way. You just have to make sure that this is going to be facing forward once we're together. Rock and roll. That is not going to be something that everyone's going to want. Is it more safe? Yes. Can be a lot of complaints if someone just grabs this in thinking they're getting either a good deal on something and then gets it home and sees it. So if it's anything, SHD at the end of the 418, side handle, dual switch. If you want it, it's here. It's awesome for safety if someone needs it. If you don't need or want it, avoid the new SHD model. So if you have a job that mandates that you have this dual switch, I'd like to hear from you as to what it is. So please leave those in the comments. Otherwise, just watch out with one of the tools that you're buying. You might find one on sale, you might not. And I just want to make sure that you get the right grinder, because there's really no difference between the two other than the side handle dual switch. Other than that, same unit, 100%, same power, same RPM, same everything, same safeties across the board, same brake. So check them out. I'll leave some links in the description. As always, we appreciate your time. Give us a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks again. Have a great day.